Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here, and today I want to show you something really cool. And by the way, in this video, not only not only you watching this video, but also AI watching you. Yeah, so let's start. So what I want to do, just imagine that I'm just a beginner, right? So I just opened Unreal, and for example, I want to delete these lights, right? And I know that they are like polygons. It's not just texture. How to delete them? You know what? I want to delete plugin at first. Modeling. Yes. This. Okay. So now just imagine I open my Unreal. I don't know anything. I just want to delete these polygons, right? Let's open Gemini, how to pronounce it properly. Hi Gemini, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How can I help you this evening?
Nice, Gemini. So I want to delete these lights. They are polygons, so it's a mesh. It's not just texture. So I want to delete them in Unreal, within Unreal. I don't want to open 3D Max, Maya, or Blender. I want to delete it here. So how can I do it?
I understand. You can definitely do some basic mesh editing within Unreal. You'll need to activate the Modeling Tools Editor mode. Take a look at the top left of your viewport where it says Selection Mode right now. Click that drop down and see if modeling is listed. If not, we might need to enable a plugin. Do you see modeling there?
No, I cannot. What should I do? I don't know.
No worries. We can turn it on. Go to the Edit menu at the top, then select Plugins. In the search bar of that window, type Modeling. You should see Modeling Tools Editor mode there. Just check the box to enable it. It might ask you to restart the editor. Let me know when you've got that done. Go ahead and select the mesh that has those lights you want. Then look at that same drop down we checked before, and you should see modeling listed as a mode now. Let me know when you've switched to that.
Okay. Yeah, now let's try modeling. Yeah, now it works, as you can see. So what we should do next?
Great, you're in. Now, on the panel on the left, look for a tool called Triangle Edit. It's usually under the Mesh Edit section. Select that, and then you should be able to click on the polygons of those lights to select them. Once they're highlighted, just hit the delete key on your keyboard. Let me know if you can find that tool.
I cannot see this button. Can you show me on the screen where exactly I can find this option, this function?
Sure thing. Look on the panel on the left side of the screen. I've highlighted the general area. You're looking for the Triangle Edit tool, which is grouped with other options under Mesh Edits. Do you see it now?
Not really. Can you show me? Where I should press?
You'll want to click on the Triangle Edit tool icon itself. It should be a button with an icon representing a mesh or triangles within that Mesh Edit section. Once you select it, then you can click on the lights you want to remove.
So right.
Can you find that button?
So right now I'm asking Gemini to show me where I should press, because sometimes I don't know how, but sometimes it show like literally on the screen of my phone where I should press with white dot. I mean, in this way, it's so obvious and so convenient, like extremely convenient. I use the same technique for I don't know, for changing my air filter or some filter on my vacuum cleaner. So it's awesome. But yeah, okay, let's just follow his advice. So yeah, I opened Mesh. Yeah, can you remind me what should I do next?
I'm happy to continue highlighting things for you that way. It sounds like you've got the modeling mode panel open on the left, and you're now in the Mesh Edit section. In that section, find the tool called Triangle Edit. It's usually an icon with a mesh or little triangles on it. Once you click that, you can click on the lights you want to remove, then press delete. Any luck finding it?
No, wait, I cannot. Oh, so the reason right now? No, maybe maybe I can ask Gemini. So I selected this train, but I cannot edit. Do you know why?
It looks like you've selected the entire train blueprint, which is a whole object. To delete just those lights, you'll need to edit the static mesh itself. Try double-clicking on the train mesh in the content drawer to open it in the static mesh editor. Once you're in there, the modeling tool should work the way we discussed. Can you try opening it that way?
Can you show me? I don't know where I can select the static mesh.
You can find it in the content drawer, usually at the bottom of the screen. Or if you look at the details panel on the right side of your screen while the train is selected, you should see the static mesh component listed there. If you double-click on the thumbnail beside the name, it will open in a new window. Did that make sense?
Yeah, so can you show me where I can select the static mesh?
Okay, look on the panel on the right side of the screen where it says Details. I've highlighted the spot where the static mesh component is listed. If you double-click on that little thumbnail beside the name, it will open in a new window, and then we can edit it. Can you try clicking that?
So now Gemini highlighted area where I can select or press. So, I mean, it's really awesome feature, right? But again, yeah, let's just select train and let's continue. Yeah, Gemini, you told me that I should press triangle edit, right?
That's right. Once you've got the static mesh open in its own window, go ahead and select the triangle edit tool. Then you can click on the lights to select them and press delete. Let me know how that goes.
Oh, but as you can see right now, I cannot do it. It's some error. Can you read this message and what should I do?
I see the message. It's warning you that the mesh is too dense. Apparently it has over 143,000 edges, and the tool has a limit of 50,000 to prevent crashing. Since we can't delete the polygons that way, maybe we can try simplifying the mesh first. There should be a tool in modeling.
No, Gemini, I want to keep this poly count the same, but I just want to delete these elements. How can I do it? Is it possible?
I understand. You want to keep the detail exactly as it is. Since the polygon count is too high for the triangle edit tool, we can try a different approach. There's a tool in modeling mode called Separate that might let us split those light elements into a separate object that we could then delete. Would you like to try that?
Yeah, of course. Can you show me, like, what should I do now?
Okay, first, in the same modeling mode panel, look for the Try Select tool. I've highlighted it on the screen. Use that to select the polygons of the lights you want to separate. Once they're highlighted, look within the Mesh Edit section, and you should find the Separate tool there. Pressing that will make the lights their own object. Can you find those tools?
Okay, I selected these lights, and now I can select delete, right? Or what?
Not delete, we actually want to separate them first to keep the poly count. Look for that Separate tool I mentioned. It should be in the Mesh Edit section. Pressing that will turn the lights into a separate object, and then we can delete that separate object. Did you find the Separate tool?
Okay, but I want to delete. And accept. Okay, let's try.
Yes, exactly. Pressing accept separates those lights into a new object. Now you just need to find that new object in your outline, select it, and then you can delete the whole thing. Did that work for you?
So as you can see, you can not only generate, I don't know, like references, 3D models, textures, some animations, whatever you want, but as well, if you don't know anything and you just, I want to delete this stuff, go ahead, use it. Yeah, I think it's really interesting and I hope it was useful for you. Yeah, that's all for today. Have a good one.